Bitcoin BTC. Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency, described in 2008 by an unknown person or a group called Satoshi Nakamoto. The purpose of Bitcoin is to become an alternative to traditional payment solutions, offering worldwide payments incredibly fast and cheap, without having a central authority, like the bank, controlling the transactions. Instead, it is controlled by computers around the world, who validate all of the transactions in a P2P or peer-to-peer fashion. Bitcoins are created in the process of mining, which means that the computers, or miners, in the network solve complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions. And whichever computer solves the puzzle the fastest is awarded an amount of Bitcoin, as well as transaction fees, as a reward. Of course, these fees and rewards go to the owners of the computers. This is called the proof-of-work consensus algorithm, which is the most popular algorithm in the cryptocurrency world. Interesting facts. A lot of people have heard about Bitcoin, but have never heard about all of the other cryptocurrencies. Many people treat Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as synonyms, while the information about the users is kept secret. The history of Bitcoin transactions is completely transparent, and everyone can see the amounts sent. There are a finite number of Bitcoins, 21 million to be exact. They are being mined, and it is calculated that the last Bitcoin will be mined in 2140. Bitcoin mining uses enough energy annually to power almost 4 million average US households. The first real-world Bitcoin transaction happened in May of 2010, when Laszlo Hanyecz bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. The current fee for a transaction that gets confirmed in about 1 hour is around $10 US. Bitcoin's team has developed a concept called Lightning Network that will hopefully solve these scalability problems, as well as high fees and slow speeds.